Satnam, and welcome to day number 2's meditation for a calm heart. My name is Dr. Ann Taylor, and it's my pleasure to lead you in this meditation today. I chose meditation for a calm heart because it's a beginner's meditation, and yet it's highly effective. And if you feel that you are, let's say you're at work, and things are getting really tense and you're really wanting to say something maybe inappropriate to another colleague, or maybe even a family member's on the phone with you, whatever your situation, whatever your stressor is, take 3 minutes. Just go to the restroom, get in the stall, and you can do this sitting. We'll practice this meditation for 3 minutes together so that you can learn what it feels like. And then when you're practicing on your own, you can do it 3 minutes, 11 minutes, or even 31 minutes. But if you really need that quick reset and you want to be able to speak authentically from your heart and not from a position of anger, try this meditation. And before you do any meditation on your own, always tune in with the Adi mantra by chanting Ong Namo Gurudev Namo 3 times. To do this meditation, the left hand is over the heart so that the fingers are parallel to the floor. And then just relax the hand. Nothing rigid, just feel your body relaxing. The right hand, obviously, is going to be opposite of mine. You're going to touch the index and thumb together, pressing, and the other 3 fingers are going to be straight. Now, my pinky is broken so that yours will look different than my hand. The eyes can be closed or 9/10 closed. And the sequence is very simple. And always remember, just go to your own lung capacity. As you practice Kundalini yoga, meditations, pranayama, or breathing exercises as we're doing, your lung capacity will naturally increase. So just in a relaxed posture, you will begin by inhaling deeply. Feeling the belly open up on the inhale, the diaphragm comes down, the rib cage opens, and now suspend the breath as long as you're reasonably able to. When you need to exhale, do so slowly and controlled through the nose. When you get to the bottom of the breath, hold the breath out. Again, as long as you're reasonably able to. When you need to inhale, and don't wait till you're at the point where you're gasping for breath, begin a slow inhale through the nostrils again. Again, opening the belly, opening the rib cage, allowing the lungs to completely fill. And again, exhaling. Let's do this together now for 3 minutes. And let's begin. Inhaling deeply. Exhaling when you need to. Exhale completely all the way back down to the navel, pulling the navel slightly in when you're at the bottom of the breath. And again, suspend the breath out. Inhale when you need to and continue at your own pace now. You're doing beautifully. Keep going, halfway through. The heart center is the home of the neutral mind, which you'll hear much more about. The home of prana, the life force energy. So really settle in now for the last stretch. And all together now, let's inhale deeply. Exhale. Deep inhale. Exhale. And one more time. Deep inhale. Exhale. Relax the hands down. And simply notice. Keep the eyes closed and just scan your body, your mind, and see if you don't feel just a little bit more relaxed and calm than you did before you started the meditation. So again, in 3 minutes, you, through the use of the breath, effective use of the breath, you can change your response to stress and really gain control and self-mastery. Satnam, thank you for joining, and I look forward to you on the third meditation for the next time.